Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've liked my previous lessons and enjoyed them and understood every single point. Anyways, in today's lesson I'm going to explain to you guys different types of specialized cells. In my previous video I explained what is a specialized cell and um and I told you guys that I'm going to do another lesson on different types of specialized cells. So in an exam, you could be asked to relate the structure of a cell to its function. This idea is that you apply your knowledge of a cell structure to the information you're given about the role of the cell in an organism. So your knowledge about the cell structure, if you have like nothing to like if you don't know anything, that's not a big problem because I have a full video explaining what is a cell structure and different types of cell structures. So if you want, you can always go and check that out because that would be really helpful in today's lesson. So check it out and then come back to this lesson, and I hope you're going to understand it better. Don't panic, it's easier than it sounds. Basically, here are some examples to help you understand how structure and function are related. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, this is a sperm cell in an animal. So sperm cells are specialized for reproduction. The function of it is to get the male DNA to the female DNA. It has a long tail and a streamlined head to help it swim to the egg. There are lots of mitochondria in the cell to provide the energy it needs to do this. Also carries enzymes in its head to digest through the egg cell membrane. Here on the side I have a picture of it and the structure and some labels. I want you to copy it on your notebook and label them, and also copy the definition that I wrote. And this is very important, and this is like one of the most important type of specialized cells. This will be like, if they're gonna put a question on specialized cell, this will be the cell that they will put. So I want you to copy it. Okay guys, now I'm going to explain to you the nerve cells in an animal. So, nerve cells are specialized for rapid signaling. So here on the side I have a picture of a nerve cell, and I want you guys to have a look at it and know how it looks like because it often comes in an exam. So, the function of nerve cells is carry electrical signals from one part of the body to another. These cells are long. They're long to cover more distance, and they have branch connections to their ends to connect the nerve cells to form a network throughout the body. Okay guys, and now we have the root cells in a plant cell. Root cells are on the surface of plant roots and specialized for absorbing water and minerals. They grow into long hairs that stick out into the soil. This gives the plant a big area for absorbing water and minerals from the soil. Okay, and here on the side I have a picture of a root hair cell and the structure of it and the labels. I want you to have a look at it, and this is very easy to sketch on your notebook. So I want you to sketch on your notebook, and it's going to be very easy when you're coming to revise in the future. So copy on your notebook, and also write what it is and what it does. This is very important to write in an exam. It would give you very higher grades. So yeah. Okay guys, we now have the muscle cells in an animal. So muscle cells are specialized for contraction. The function of a muscle cell is to contract quickly. These cells are long, so they have space to contract and contain lots of mitochondria to transfer energy needed for contraction. Here on the side, I have a picture of a structure of a muscle cell, and also I have the labels. We have like the bone, tendon, the blood vessels, and some other things. Yeah, I want you to copy it on your notebook if that's possible, and also write the definition of it. And I want you to understand it really good because it will come in your exam. I can guarantee you. So yeah, copy it, and I will move to the next one. Okay guys, we've now came to phloem and xylem cells in plants. Phloem and xylem cells are specialized for transporting substances. They form phloem and xylem tubes, which transport substances such as food and water around the plants. To form the tubes, the cells are long and joined end to end. Xylem cells are hollow in the center, and phloem cells have very few subcellular structures so that they can flow through them. And also here on the side I have a picture of the structure of phloem vessel and the xylem vessel. I want you to copy it on your notebook and copy the definition. Also color it out because it really helps when coming to revision. So now we've came to the end of the lesson. I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also share this video with someone that you think doesn't know the types of specialized cells. And I will see you guys in the next lesson.